You want help?
Duh. Welcome. It's an exciting day. Lengths we're going through to get this stupid car designed to make done.
How you doing?
Coming.
How's it going, guys?
Dana.
And my neighbor decided he wanted to use some of the cardboard, so he decides to cut one of the boxes open on me. And I'm like, what are you doing? He's like, oh, I thought this was garbage. I'm like, it's good for me.
So apparently a neighbor like borrowed some cardboard off the top of one of the boxes because he thought it was trash. One hell of an unboxing video.
Yeah.
Jesus. I'm absolutely climbing into this box after it's empty. By the way, this is Raul. Yeah, holy sh**, it's getting real.
You can open it the way that he already cut it open.
Oh, is this all?
Yeah. You get to it.
Oh, it's the hood. Maybe the hood and the hatch? I don't know how to be careful with fiberglass.
The fun part. Unraveling everything is fucking gets crazy. Yeah, so that is the hatch.
So, okay, I need your opinion on something. So I brought this up to like 3 of my friends. 2 of them think I'm the dumbest motherfucker that ever lived, and 1 of them thinks it's a nice idea. Since we have to take drift spares on Drift Week, what would you think about using this split hatch and like trophy trucking the spares into the hatch? But we're not doing it.
I feel like it'd be kind of cool. It would be kind of cool.
Here it comes.
It'd be different, so.
Okay, fine, we'll do it. How heavy is this? It's not heavy at all. It is so crazy because like in July they upped the price of the kit again for like retail to $30K. FDs are like 35 for a nice one.
Sand the hell out of it just for it to even bond paint.
First impressions.
Either way, it always needs a lot of work just to get to the point.
Yeah. All right.
That's one use. It's gonna be crazy.
We're just climbing this.
You good? You good? I don't know how I'm getting out, but.
You want help?
Perfect dismount.
Well, this timeline has been super rushed. Normally Veilside, like, you give them as much time as they need to make stuff, but because they were excited about doing this project, because they do have a performance background, and you know, not many people have used this kit for a performance setting. I've been talking to Versus, which is the actual US importer for Veilside, and they sort of brokered the whole deal, and they're also, I think, one of 2 authorized retailers. So if you want a Veilside kit, you go to one of 2 places, and the one that I went to is Versus. And for years I didn't think that it was a real website because it's kind of lo-fi, but then when I finally emailed Veilside Japan directly, they just sent me right back to Versus, and so they are real. But this kit, you can buy directly from them in US dollars. They handle all the importing and all the custom stuff and all the shipping. They've been super responsive to me throughout this whole process, and yeah, now I just have to follow through on my end of this whole endeavor and actually get the car together and slide it and not crash immediately. Hopefully.
You should cut up the box and make a Veilside kit out of the cardboard. That's the thumbnail.
Best wood body kit you've ever seen.
Cool. I mean, everything looks nice, man. I know this is gonna be one hell of a project.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's gonna be exciting, but I'm nervous about it too. It's a whole lot of work.
I'm right there with you. But
And you think by the end of the week or beginning of next week we'll have a body?
do you do PVF, or do you know anyone that does?
Yeah.
Just for the fenders and bumper?
Yeah.
Might be worth it just for the last stages of development. I don't know how soon you can put that on after fresh paint, but
Normally it's 30 days. I mean, he could rush it. It's just the chances of it peeling back up. You know what I mean? They're supposed to breathe out for 30 days. That's why they tell you. So it's not just a peeling off the paint situation. It's more or less like, yeah.
okay.
So, I mean, I've seen people do it. I don't see it to be a big issue. I mean, you're also looking to do a repaint later on, too.
Yeah.
But that also might affect the process later on.
Yeah.
Cause more work, you know? It'll be wild, man.
Yeah. Yeah.
I know this stuff isn't like a short process to make. A lot of this stuff takes months just to build. And it looks like they did a real good job as far as even the wing. I mean, it's nice and smooth. The smoother the better, because there's a lot less body work that we have to do in the long run. I mean, obviously we got to scratch every square inch of this thing just for primer to stick, because primer hates gel coat, you know what I mean? And if it has any bit of shininess, that's it. It won't stick.
Yeah. It's
It's gonna be fun, man.
this is insane.
I'm gonna keep fingers crossed that it's not a huge process. The 2020 Supra that we did the virus kit on there, that was one hell of a project. And I think it was actually more pieces than this. So hopefully this one isn't too crazy.
Thanks again for
Not a problem. Not a problem.
we got editing to do.
Yeah, we do.
That's a wrap. Sorry, is that trademarks? I feel like that's trademarks. Hoonigan, don't sue me, but bring me on Bill Biology.